What's up, team? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful sunny day and we got a 3-wheeler built. Things are wrapping up on it. We got the chassis pretty much ready to go. Let's rebuild a motor. We got a lot to do. I got a parts washer running in the background. That's why I'm outside right now. So it's gonna be a lot of time lapse and some cheesy music, but you guys can kind of see what we're doing and I'll bring it in close for the more detailed stuff. Check it out, guys. At the end of this video, you're gonna see this thing run. All right, guys, got the workspace cleaned up a little bit and took this over to the shop. Used my 1/2-inch pneumatic gun on it because it would not break loose, but it popped right off. You guys probably can't see it on here. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's a lineup mark right there and another one right there. So make sure to make a note of those. Make sure they line back up when you go to reassemble everything. I was going to try and highlight these other two lineup marks so they'd be easier to see, but my pin won't ride on them. You have another one on your crank gear and then one over here on your counterbalance gear. I don't know if we have to take this out or not, but we will since we're here, and check the bearings behind it.
All right, guys, that one was really tight too. So I took it back over to the shop, used the air gun on it again. I had to put this gear back on to hold it in place so that I could loosen that up. All right, guys, this is 100% why we pulled it apart. You can see all the debris that's still down on the bottom end. The bearings sound pretty garbagey. We'll need to clean up the sealing surfaces on the crankshaft. This bearing also sounds like garbage. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. I actually have to start getting ready to go to work. So I will clean all this up tonight when I get home, and hopefully tomorrow we can start putting stuff back together. Thank you for watching. I know this was kind of a short one, but we're just doing it piece by piece. Hopefully this thing will be running by the end of the week. Thanks, guys. Tune in, subscribe. Don't miss the first fire up on it, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, welcome back. It's a new day, and we've got a new challenge. I'm going to try and take the crankcase bearings in and out of this side of the case without removing the transmission and all of the shifting mechanism. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, actually wasn't quite ready for this. We got the crank out of the freezer and went to just test fit it, and it slid right in. So I'm not gonna take it back out, and we are gonna try and get the other half of this case on there. I cleaned all the surfaces, and we got a fresh gasket on it. Lineup dowels are in and ready to go. Transmission should still be good. Let's shoot this thing in there and see how it goes. Well, I don't want to jinx it, guys, but I am completely blown away with how well that just went back together. Everything seems to be, I think we might have actually just put that in gear. Everything seems to be working fine on it. We will put the shift mechanism on and make sure that it actually goes through all the gears okay. The crank is still turning really nice. There's zero play in it. The bearings feel really nice and smooth. I'm super happy with that. So cool, guys. We'll just keep one part at a time. I don't know if you guys remember 10 seconds ago when I said, I don't want to jinx it, but this is going really well. Well, when you forget to put the counterbalance back in it, you're going to get another shot at doing it good again. All right, guys, we have our dots lined up on our counterbalance sprocket and shaft, and the marks are lined up on our crank shaft and crankshaft sprocket. Sorry, it's allergy season. And the marks are lined up on our crankshaft and our counterbalance sprocket. So hopefully we won't vibrate. All right, guys, a few things to note. Our piston rings are lined up with the dimples. Our arrow is pointing forward toward the exhaust port. There is no exhaust bridge in this cylinder, so there are no relief holes cut for lubrication. And we did gap the piston rings in the cylinder before I put them on the piston, and they came out to 12 thousandths. So this is a 72 millimeter piston, so 12 thousandths should be pretty close. So let's go ahead and throw the cylinder on it. Hey guys, we're back. Sorry, there's going to be a big gap in how far we were and how far we are now. I just got a little pissed off yesterday. I put a big scratch in my brand new powder coat and decided to just shut the camera off and have an adult beverage or two, and came back out last night and got the rest of the motor put in, got the top end put back on it, got the carb on it, swapped out the clutch plates. So this is where we're at. We're going to keep going on it and see if we can get it fired up today. Okay guys, so we got all the motor mounts put in. The swing arm pivot bolt is back in. The expansion chamber is on. I touched that up with some high temp stove paint. This is a ESR right hand side muffler for a 1986 TRX 250R. You'll spot right here, these rivets are missing. So what I had to do is pop the rivets out of both ends, swap the end plate and the mounting pipe to the other side so that this bracket would be closer to the chassis. I also cut about 6 inches off of it because it stuck way out here and it looked kind of goofy. So I cut 6 inches off of it. I repacked it. I cut the center pipe that the packing goes around. I clocked it a little bit and you'll see a dent right there. I had to take some of the bend out of it because it was too sharp of a bend. And then I made myself a little mounting bracket to bring it out away from the chassis so that it's not rubbing on anything because it will vibrate and move. So I went and got some stainless steel sheet metal screws. We'll get that screwed back together, get it off, get it polished up. And I put some oil in it. So our clutch plates have just been soaking in there. We're getting close. I think that we can start hooking up some electrical. I got to sand down a few of the grounds and we'll see if we can get it fired up. It tries, guys. I don't know if maybe we just have like a bad ground or something, but I'm getting hot. So let's roll up the garage door, get a little breeze blowing through here, and look over a couple things.